Howdy folks, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a good Sunday. Bringing you another quick video. Just want to chit chat with you, give you a little insight on these Volvos. So on this particular Volvo, I'm not sure if they're all this design, but they consider it a reverse mount engine. Basically a quick little update video for you guys. So when you get down in there, if you look, this is the power steering pump, okay? Well, it bolts here. One bolt there, one bolt there, and then this is your water pump. So this is what the new one looks like. Okay? So your power steering pulley goes around this. And there's two screw bolts that go here, and it literally bolts it here in the face of the power steering pulley. So these are what they call the guide pins. Okay. So you have that. And then, so if you look down here, all that's missing off this one. So the customer had brought it in here and said, hey, I got an antifreeze leak. Trust me, guys, it took me a while to find the leak. Finally, I got a little stethoscope type camera. I stuck the camera down in there, and I was able to get behind the power steering pulley. So basically what I did is I took the camera and came in here and bent it around the back side of this, which allows me to see around this thing here. And I watched the antifreeze drip out of the bottom of this. If you look real close, you can still see a puddle of antifreeze right here, okay? So if you look, if I get down here, listen. Here, see how it sounds like junk, guys? It's been going for a while. So, yeah. So, anyways, that's where we're at. So we're in the middle, and this is the piece that's supposed to go on the face, like the other one. It's supposed to go on the face of it like this, and it broke off. So, all right, guys. Appreciate you all leaving comments down below. Appreciate you all watching it and subscribing to my channel. For all the new folks coming in, I appreciate you watching. Still plenty of you not subscribed yet, so get over there and subscribe to my channel, please. Sure would help a man out. So, like I said, I appreciate you all and hope you all have a good Sunday. Start another week tomorrow, so we'll catch you this week on the next one. Love you all. See ya. Peace.